Ama2000, an extinction of fake traders. In 2016, guys, youngsters out there in high school, places, workplace, everywhere, people wanted to start trading. They were researching, trying to find out a quick way to make money, or perhaps an easier way to make money. It was a trend at JCX Stock Exchange. It is a possibility to make money with surveys, with drop shipping, all kinds of ways of making money online. That's when in South Africa, ways of making money became popular and everyone wanted a crash of it. That's when Forex Market spiked and people got interested in trading the Forex Market instead. Of course, those times were the times when geniuses out there, people who could see the future out there, started to figure out trading is a possibility. Trading is one way that anyone can make money. Of course, things were easier, platforms were rising, brokers were exponentially growing. This is when guys out there tried it. The 90s, the 80s, the guys who have gone through the teenage years, the guys who have learned and got the information in their fingertips, that's when they started to try out the market. But meanwhile, you are trying to trade the Forex market, you will realize it's not an easy task. If it is not an easy task, what else is easier? That's when the spike of trading courses. These guys literally took your money. The ones who are trying to trade the Forex market took your capital to try and teach you the same ways on how to make money trading. Of course, that is something that only a genius could, or perhaps a brilliant idea instead. Because if you can find out it is not that easy to trade, then making money with teaching others how to do it. For example, I am charging a capital like 10,000 rand, then I get 10 people I already have 100,000 rand, already rich, or perhaps thereby. Or at least if I can charge you 15,000 rand, and then I take 10 people, again I have more money already. If I wanted to show an example in the Forex market and try to make it known that I am trading, it is an easier task because I now have a larger capital to exercise whatever I'm doing in the Forex market. That's when these guys found out if we can take the capital, emulate the lifestyle of those who have money, then that is easy money right there rather than trading. Of course, that's something that was successful. 2016 it was successful. 2017 we see mentors, fake gurus, all kinds of guys reaching the Forex market. But at a later stage, 2018, 2019, things started to fall out because those charismatic leaders, those guys, gurus driving fast cars, guys who have literally took like 10,000 in mentorship, that is literally short framed information you could have been getting in YouTube, literally a free information. These guys were like teaching it at 10,000, even more, selling robots, even more money, making more money from teaching rather than trading. But a dead end that came when 2019 COVID-19 hit. Imagine someone who was making money with selling courses, then suddenly people can't get out of their homes. Imagine someone who was teaching as a living, can't support their lifestyle of being rich and known to have been flipping money in the Forex market. Imagine. That's when those guys born in the 80s, those guys born in the 90s, that was the dead end for them. That was the end of the line for them. Meanwhile, those guys, those same guys who were faking the lifestyle, who were faking everything, who were promising that small accounts can generate millions, those guys were sending out the messages to the youngsters out there. That are the 2000s. Those guys in school, high school, everywhere. The 2000 in high school, the 2000 in universities. Those guys who were already growing, knowing that the forex market is possible. Those guys who were inspired only to find out in 2019 this is not as easy as we thought. Those guys who have dropped out their school and decided I'm going to start trading, find out it is not easy as it was said, but already they were inspired that it is possible. Already they were thinking that I can make it too in the forex market. That's when 2000 hit, and only those who were making money in the forex market survived. Those who were making money in the forex market survived. Imagine, or perhaps take it like this: the 2000s already were turning 18. The 2000s already were 19 years at that time, 17 years at that time. They are now no longer in high school. They are now in responsibility of their lives and taking whatever decision they wanted. Figuring out the market is not as easy, but having enough motivation that it is possible. That's when real traders started. That's when guys like me started. That's when guys thought it is possible, blowing accounts, starting again, growing accounts, making little money and losing it all, but only to start again. It is the beginning of real traders, or perhaps an extinction of fake traders, and the beginning of Ama2000. Those guys who are literally trading, those guys who are figuring out it is possible to make money. The only way was trading itself. That's when guys who started to crack the system, figure out the loopholes in the forex market, figure out how to generally make money in the forex market. Damn, this is a long story. So a prediction at this point is that Ama2000, or the youngsters coming out there, they are the real ones who are going to figure out or perhaps make money trading. I am Kaympey, the elder of management. Wealth is mandatory.